Welcome to SwedenCarPerformance.se. I'm going to show you our latest V4 Android system for the new Toyota. This is a European Rav4 2019. The same system is in Corolla 2019, Camry 2018 US and 2019 Europe. This will come in all the new Toyotas. It doesn't matter if you have factory navigation or not, our system will work and still. This system comes in 4 different variants. We have Android system for 3 of them. So just check before you buy. Press home, menu, settings, program information. Then we'll set this is a Future 10. If it is a Panasonic, then it will say Panasonic. We have for Future 10, Panasonic and Denso. To switch, when you have this Future 10 or Denso, you press audio for 2 seconds and get the Android system. To get back to the factory system, just press home. If you have the Panasonic, you press menu for 2 seconds to switch. And we're going to show we have selected the aux source in the factory system as the Android sound will go through aux. Everything is connected behind the screen, so it's no loose cables, anything like that. We have connected the Android system to a Wi-Fi hotspot, like this. It's a mobile hotspot. We're selling these also. You can of course also connect your phone as a hotspot to the system. You can download any apps that you want. So we have YouTube, TuneIn Radio, Netflix. There you got Play Store. And you can of course watch YouTube or use the app. Now we are in Chrome. And now we have the Android system in the full car speaker. This will also work while the car is in motion. And if you get a phone call here, if you have a phone paired to the hands-free system, it will interrupt this and you will hear the other person in the car speaker, and you can speak just like normal. And you can also add an extra camera if you want. And we have also added, in Europe we don't have Apple CarPlay Android Auto on this system, so you can buy an extra dongle for the Android system. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto dongle. Then you got this app AutoKit. We will use iPhone and use the Android USB, connect that, and then you get CarPlay. And then you get CarPlay. You can control it just like everything else. You can control your messages. Yeah, and you also have the maps. You can have the Apple CarPlay if you want. And you got the Google Maps. You set direction here. You also got the voice search. We're using the factory microphone for voice search in Android system. So it's a really neat system. You can use it every day. It's better than the factory system. And I'm gonna go through the settings. You got Wi-Fi. That's of course that you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to have internet access. Map path is if you want to have this. If you press Navi, it will appear there, so you can select, let's say, Waze for that. Calibrate, you should have that on. The first time you start system you need to calibrate, next time you don't, so it should be on. Then you can have vehicle settings. Camera type is original. If you have 360 camera, the camera will not show up in Android system when you put it in reverse like this. Now we are in reverse, nothing will be shown. But of course if you are in the home system, you put it in reverse, you will have the camera. That is if you have the 360 camera. If you have the regular camera, it will show up in reverse in Android system if you have the Future 10 or Denso, not in the Panasonic. And you press that original, track radar protocol should be on. DTV and DVR, it's 2 extra video input that you can control. Then you got memory, and then you got apps if you want to uninstall them. Location, can use high position, that use the network and the GPS antenna. Account, that's Google account. Oh, sorry, account is when you have logged into the Google. You got languages, now it's in Swedish. You can select any language that you want. Date and time, set it manually, the date and time and the time zone. And that's basically it. So there we have DVR and there you have DTV. These 2 apps you can use for extra camera input if you want to have that, and then it will be on until you shut it off. Now we don't have anything connected to it. But as I say, you can have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can have all the apps that you want. You can download voice recognition through the factory microphone. The only thing is, when you order it, we must know what type of unit. So home, menu, settings, program information, then we'll say what unit. We don't have anything for Pioneer, just Denso, Future 10 and Panasonic. And of course you can also have, if you don't want the Android sound, let's say if you just want to have Google Maps and still have the radio sound in the background, it's no problem. So thank you for watching. We're gonna do an install video for both Future Denso and Panasonic units. Thank you very much.